Good job. Cut it. There you go. Good job. Do it again. Can you do it again? Can you show Daddy? Because you cut so nice.
And I'll write his name.
And you're the best cutter in the world.
I'll write the little Liam.
Good job.
Please, not with that.
Good job. Here.
I'll get the blue.
Mami, numbers, mi amor.
Maybe es que está practicando.
Ah,
Está
okay.
muy duro para
My,
él.
I'll get the ghost so Bart can put them on.
Okay.
Good job. There. Okay.
Watch out with your face.
Watch out. Bless
Bless
you.
you, mi amor. Bless
Bless
you,
you.
mi vida.
Okay, hold it like this. There you go. Open it. Open it. Now hold it like this. Now cut it. Go. Do it again. Watch out for your fingers.
Watch out.
Okay, cut it. There you go. Good job.
La boca. Ay, divino.
Open it. Now close it. Open it. Open it. There you go. Good job. Okay, take a break.
Good job,
Good
Lily.
job. Yay.
But tell me the numbers. What numbers are
Okay,
there?
what number is this? Okay, go ahead and draw the number 1.
Good job.
Okay, now
What
what
is
number
the
is
next
that?
one?